Imagine stepping into your backyard and being greeted by the gentle croaking of frogs. A dragonfly zips past, its iridescent wings shimmering in the sunlight. As you look closer, you see tiny water striders dancing on the surface of a pond, their delicate legs creating ripples that spread across the water. This vibrant scene can be yours. By building a wildlife pond, you can transform your backyard into a haven for nature and a source of endless fascination for you and your family. Wildlife ponds invite nature into our lives. They provide a place for us to observe the wonders of the natural world up close. Imagine sipping your morning coffee while watching dragonflies lay their eggs, or listening to the chorus of frogs singing their evening songs. These are just a few of the joys a wildlife pond can bring. Building a wildlife pond is more than just creating a beautiful feature in your backyard. It's about giving back to nature and helping to support our struggling ecosystems. These small bodies of water act as vital stepping stones for wildlife, connecting fragment habitats and providing a lifeline for a wide range of species. From tiny aquatic insects to larger animals like birds and hedgehogs, a wildlife pond offers a place to drink, bathe, find food, and raise their young. By providing these essential resources, you'll be playing a crucial role in supporting local biodiversity. And as you observe the bustling activity around your pond, you'll gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of all living things. Building a wildlife pond is a rewarding project that can be easily achieved, even if you have limited space. Here's how. First, choose the perfect spot. Find a sunny location in your yard for your pond. It's best if it's visible from your house, so you can enjoy watching the wildlife it attracts. Next, outline and dig. Use a hose or rope to mark the shape of your pond. Then, start digging. Make sure the pond has different depths to cater to different species. A shallow shelf for birds to bathe and deeper areas for aquatic plants are ideal. After that, lay down the liner. A durable pond liner will hold the water in your pond. Make sure it's big enough to cover the entire pond area. Now comes the fun part. Fill it up. Start filling your pond with water. As you do, add some native plants around the edges and in the water. Remember, safety is paramount. Always supervise children and pets around water features. Once your pond is built, it's time to sit back and watch nature work its magic. A variety of plants and animals will be drawn to your new water feature, creating a thriving ecosystem right in your backyard. Plant native water lilies, reeds, and rushes to provide shelter and oxygenate the water. These plants will attract a diversity of insects, which in turn will attract frogs, toads, and newts. Birds will visit for a drink and a bath, and you might even spot a hedgehog stopping by for a sip of water. By creating this small oasis, you're not just enhancing your backyard. You're making a tangible difference for local biodiversity. Your pond will become a haven for wildlife, a testament to the power of small actions to make a big impact.